Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we've got some exciting new products for your vintage truck or Bronco. Intermittent wipers are standard on today's modern vehicles, and you can now have this modern convenience on your 1980 to 91 truck or Bronco. Until you drive an old vehicle in light rain and have to continually turn your wipers on and off, you don't realize how accustomed we've all become to having intermittent wipers. Upgrade your classic vehicle with our wiper control module and factory-style switch with intermittent wiper function. Our plug-and-play upgrade will not only add modern convenience, but it also makes it safer to drive in bad weather and makes your time on the road even more enjoyable. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.